So hello guys, I'm your code specialist developer Dev, going to solve all your problems related to the problem threesome. So how does this problem begin? Let's search for it on Geeks for Geeks. Yes, you are able to see. So let's jump directly into the question. You are given an array size n and an integer x. Find the three triplets in the array which sums up to the given integer x. Okay, so this was quite different from what I was assuming. I was thinking of having the sum equal to 0, but the big deal. We will do it how we do it usually. So let's just take an example. So I mean, we use black pen for an example, something like 1, 4, 45, 6, 10, 8. Our x is equals to 13. So what are all the outputs? Here, the static boolean, public static boolean. I was not expecting this. I mean, we can do this. Let's see if there is any other for all triplets with zero sum. Should we do this? I mean, this was what I was looking for, but uh, for now, let's do this. Here also they are giving boolean. So I was thinking of providing an what we say array list of answers, but since there is nothing of such, we will do using the x variable integer target. So two pointer what they are showing. Let's see. I don't care. Let's go into the problem. True because true because 148 equals to 13. So quite simple question. Let's dive into the brute force. Let me check you are able to see. Where should I check? Right here. One brute force. So in here we will use a hash set and two or more nested loops. Three nested loops, okay. And why we are using hash set? We were using hash set in order to prevent duplicates, but we are not returning any such, so we will not use hash set. So this is quite simple. Three nested loops So what will happen is something like this: 1, 4, 45, 6, 10, 8. For every I and j, all these elements will be taken into consideration. Then for every increment of j, all this will be taken into consideration. Yes, something like that. Uh, so this was the brute force. What I would like to add is, if it were that we need to return the solution, means possible values. To prevent duplicates, we can use set in this. Uh, in the so what is the time complexity out here? O of n cube. Phase complexity, since we are not using set and all, so it will be constant. So time complexity is quite high because we are using three nested loops. We can reduce it using our optimal technique. What we will do out here is sort, first sort the part, the whole array. What pen should I use? I don't know. Let's do this. First sort it. What will be the outcome? 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 45. Yes, it is. The next what we will do is, mm, I will point at 0. G is I plus 1 and X is out here. Since we are sorted, we will check sum of A of I plus A of J plus A of X equals to target return true. If it is not, return means continue, and at the end when the whole loop has been over, return false. So this question has become quite simple, but if it were that we have to return the outputs, probable outputs, so what we had to do is, uh, let's guess 45 plus 5, 50 is our target. So this is causing 50 as input output, and if we increment I again, and again 1 is present and j is at 4. So what will happen is, since there is a duplicacy, we will just skip that and continue. Means if 1 is present and again 1 has been found. So what we will do is just continue and not iterate or calculate j and x values. Else what we will do is, else j minus minus x plus array x minus minus j plus plus, and if this is out looped out, I plus plus. Quite simple. Let's get into it. Let's get into the code. Are you guys able to see it better? How we will begin? I didn't tell you the time complexity of this. It will be around the worst case would be times complexity of O of n square. Space complexity will also remain constant like the brute force. Uh, it's a medium question, not worth calling it medium, but can't do anything about it. What's happening now? Hmm, for should I initialize out here j? I don't care. For int I equals to 0, int j equals to I plus 1, int k equals, I'm taking it k. No, but I have explained it using x. So let's just take it. No, but the target is also capital X. So let's prefer not miss doing mishaps. While I j is less than k, sum equals to a of what? I plus a of j plus a of k. If sum equals to x, return true. Else what? J plus plus k minus minus. Let's go. It's as simple as it can be. Got it, man. Just run it and show what we are worth it. I like dark mode. Integer. Silly mistakes. Expectations met or not. We will find it out in just a few seconds. Possibly your multiple tests. Target is 10. Hmm? 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus what? 6 plus 2 is 8. No. 6 plus 3 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So what is the problem? Okay. We first had to sort it. Arrays dot sort A. If sum is greater than x, what? J minus minus. K minus minus. Else J plus plus. Let's see. I mean, I didn't check for that test case, but I'm confident. Second attempt, yes. Correct attempts per correct ratio 50%. Hmm, let's revisit it because In Geeks for Geeks, it was quite simple, but on Coding Ninjas, there's something unique. Uh, what's their best time complexity? N square using hashing. N square again. So our is also n square. Can't beat it. So next stream we will solve this trapping rainwater. Okay guys, see you then.